This helicopter right here is the super detailed and very scale Yu-Xiang F11. This is the Pro version, so it's got no GPS. You do get it as a beginner version as well, which does have GPS. Both versions come with everything you need in the box. Your battery's under there with a voltage level indicator. And like I said, very detailed, looks super cool. And here's a quick flight video. So with the Pro version, you've got the option of a 6-axis gyro, which is the green light that's showing on the heli now. You can also put it into 3D mode and you'll see the light goes red. So we're going to take off in 6G mode. So this helicopter here has crazy power, as you can see. So guys, that's the Yu-Xiang F11. If you're interested in this or one of our other cool products, have a look at our website, ScaleRC.co.za.